and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I came out to cut the lawn and I tried starting the lawnmower and it won't start. I don't know what's wrong. I believe it's the choke, because the choke has been giving me a little issues lately, but I'm going to try to fix it. And I hope you stick around with me while I try to get this going so I can cut the lawn today, because as you can clearly see, it needs cutting. And then there's all that leaf over here that I need to mulch. Like I told you before, I'm a mulcher. I mulch everything back into the land, because guess what? It's a natural fertilizer. It does good for the soil. That way I don't have to go buying any fertilizer and all that crazy stuff. So here we go. Let's get this down from here. Oh, let's pick up these. Oh, leaves. If only you could sell the leaves. But yeah, so I guess we had a little rain and these branches came down, so I picked them up. Yep. So I'm going to try to mulch all of this into the ground. And cut the lawn today, hopefully, because like I said, it won't start and I will be very, very annoyed if I can't get it to work. But thank you for coming along with me today. Stick with me to get this lawnmower working. All right, so here we go, trying to get it to start. Clearly it won't start, and I think the choke is not engaging, but we'll try one more time, then I'm going to open it up and see if I can engage that choke. I think it's definitely the choke. Not that I know anything about lawnmower and whatever, but let's see. Let's open this up. Take the hole. Let's see. Can you see? I hope you can. Grass here. So I'll have to take the whole thing off. Let me see what's going on here. Oh, where is it? Right here. Seems to be engaged. If I have to jimmy it until, shoot, this. I don't know. I don't know where this came from. And it's cut too. It's a problem. See if I could get this to to engage. And here, this is the problem right here. I believe this is the problem. So, alright, we're gonna have to figure out how to jimmy it. Let me see. Let me see if I can find something to put in there and see if it'll start. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how to fix lawnmowers, but I believe it's the choke that has the problem. And if I can get it to work until the end of the season, then let's see this little gadget here. This is a little thing that's used, I guess, to put gas. Like if you fill up a gas bottle and you want to fill up the lawnmower. I never figured out how to use it, but yep, I guess I do things the hard way. Never figured out how to use it. I bought it, don't know how to use it. I'm going to use it to jimmy my choke and see if that's the problem. Because I definitely think it's the choke that's the problem here. So I'm going to stick that here. Get it in there. Oh, come on. Right. And then we're going to start it. Alright guys. Let's see. Let's see if that's the problem. If it is, let's go into the basement and get the let's see what I left here. Let's go get the leaf blower so I can do the driveway. Don't forget, friends, like, subscribe, and share. There's always a cool, relaxing video on here that you could, you know, take your mind off of the craziness that's been going on in this world and come along with me, you know, cut the grass, go on little trips, do little funny stuff, cook, anything. Please leave a comment of anything you want to see me do or see me do more of. Please don't let it be anything crazy. I love my life. I would like to live for a very long time. So anything within reason. I don't know how to mix gasoline and whatever it takes, so I just buy the motor mix. It's a little expensive, but guess what? It gives me a peace of mind, so I'm all set. That's what I get for my weed whacker and weed blower. Well, so you guys saw that I didn't do any weed whacking today, and there was a reason for that. I didn't do it because it's starting to get a little cold, so the grass isn't growing as much, and this time of the year I don't really like fuss over it, like doing the edging and stuff, as long as you know the grass is within reasonable height and doesn't look crazy, clean. And now I have Logan, my daughter's puppy. I want him to be able to run, you know, freely on the lawn. Soon, hopefully all the ticks will be gone. Alright, so yeah, I didn't do any edge work today, and it's okay. We're in the middle of September. Soon everything is the grass is probably gonna stop growing. But yeah, you guys see, I mulched. I'll take you over here. I mulched all the leaves into the ground. Now it doesn't look like clean cut, but it's healthy. It's healthy for the lawn. It doesn't need to be like clear up leaves. Leaves are good. See that tree up there? I don't know if you could see it. Maybe the sun will be like in your eyes. Let's see if we can walk over here. Yep, all the leaves are falling off of that tree. So why not use it, right, for fertilizer? Replenish the earth. Give back. Give back. So now I put my air protector on and I'll go blow the driveway.